What are the best types of skincare tips? I'm going to give you the best of the skincare tips that I can give you. Now, I run workshops on natural skincare, plant-based skincare, most of which I make myself. And these are really simple, practical, easy solutions. And here's one. Now, we often use a cleanser to cleanse the skin, whether that be a soap or some type of liquid lotion which we apply with cotton wool. Well, if you've heard of thyme being antibacterial, you'll understand that it's also great for inflammation on the skin. So if you have any blemishes or breakouts, and it's also particularly good for people with psoriasis and eczema. Purchase organic thyme. Rinse it through, give it a thorough wash, a thorough but gentle wash. You can rinse it through with water and bicarbonate soda and then just rinse it through again with plain water. Buy organic thyme, add it to a pan of water, about a sprig, and 500 mils of mineral water, just because it has minerals. And if you've been to any of my workshops or heard my talk on skincare, you'll understand that there's an element of SLS in our water. So watch that video, find out more information and do some research. So once you've added the thyme to a sprig of thyme to about 500 mils of your mineral water, bring it to a boil and then instantly to a simmer for about 1 or 2 minutes. Then you turn it off and leave it to steep, and you can cover it so that all the properties are kept and steamed in that water. And then once it's cooled, it can be applied topically to the skin as a cleanser. Just use a cotton wool pad and cleanse the skin, and what you'll find is a visible difference. The skin will glow, it will feel and look softer. It's excellent for even moving makeup and even waterproof eye mascara. It's the best type of cleansing agent that you can use for your skin, and it's wholly natural. And then all you do is decant it into a glass bottle, keep it in your fridge or keep it in a cool bathroom cabinet. Now, the second tip is to moisturize. And when you're looking at moisturizers, try to eliminate the chemical type of moisturizers from your skincare routine, simply because too many chemicals can actually have an impact on our body, because our skin is our largest organ, and what we put on our skin is absorbed into the system. And a number of things can also cause inflammation. Again, look at the video, What the Health Next, where I'm talking about skincare and the alternatives and the conventional types of skincare and the possible harm it can do.